Yeah, you
Okay, so John is gonna try to do that one Instagram trick and flick off the nut.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm scared.
3,
Do it.
2, 1, pussy.
You can do it. You can. I believe in you. Oh my god.
What?
Bro.
Oh.
It's so long.
Oh! Oh, I fucking slapped the
Where
shit
did
out
it
of
go? It went on everything.
Oh, fuck my glasses.
Oh, look at that. Go, go, go.
Okay, looking for this fucking piece of shit. Oh!
What are you trying to... Bro, what?
What? I don't know where the bolt went.
Oh, it's up here.
Yeah. So hypothetically speaking.
Oh, it is in here. It's right here. It's in here, dog. Look.
Well, if it's in there, then we're good, right?
Dude, it's in there.
Fuck
Yeah,
it,
it's
bro.
good.
Just get another bottle. I didn't want to believe it.
No.
Yeah, there is.
There's probably some metal shading in here too.
Oh, there it is. You found that. Can I say something? Josh had it in his pocket the whole time.
That's gay.
No, I didn't put it there. It was already in there. I never had it the whole time.
You didn't?
No, it was literally in there.
I knew it was in there the whole time.
You're not fooling anybody, Roy. Sorry about it.
We played you.
Yeah. The Filipino thing. Sorry, you're only, what, half? Not even half, like a fourth?
Yeah.
Doesn't count. You don't have the
How
Asian
do you
connection.
feel?
You don't have the OJ like we do.
How do you feel?
That's not header aspirating I'm talking about.
Oh, look, UPS.
This shit.
Alright, so now you're doing the filler bolt?
Yup.
Where is it?
This is 29 foot-pounds on the torque wrench. Let me fucking, I can't, we can cut this shit out. Hold up, let me fucking get it in here and then we can start filming. Because I feel stupid as fuck not being able to get it in.
Okay, I turned the camera off.
This shit is... Why the fuck do you have to fucking be so gay? Wait. One more click. I'm really about to just give up. Wait. I need more space.
What?
Your dad's here?
Oh, my dogs.
Oh. Tell your dad to fucking sucking.
How long does it take?
Oh.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, finally. I'm drooling.
There you go.
Oh, good job. 29 foot-pound. Okay, now, what are you doing, John?
I'm unbolting the fill.
You're unbolting the filler one, which is a 17 mil.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, it's not tightening it. Pause. I feel like there's an easier way
Don't
to
touch my
get to
butthole.
this.
What?
I feel like there's an easier way to get to this, but I don't think my intake would allow me.
Maybe.
You can cut that out.
Did you get it?
Nope.
Maybe you got it.
Hold up.
Sometimes that happens.
I'm just here for moral support.
My gloves are too big.
See where the filler is. Oh, that's it right there. See if I can see it from back here.
Oh, you bitch. No.
John, it's right there.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Look, I flipped it.
Just stick your hand in from here.
Look, I flipped it. Alright, bro, don't look then.
Right behind that axle.
Look.
John, what'd you do?
Don't mind the hair.
What'd you do?
So, That shit was hard as fuck.
I know. Just get to the point. Come on. What'd you do?
Hard as fuck to take out. Put this on the end of it. Kick the shit out of it. Got it loose. Now we got this little, not little, but clear vinyl fucking rope. Not rope.
Hose.
Yeah, we got some rope.
Tube. I got from Home Depot.
Where's the rope go?
Inner diameter, if you care. Fuck. I think it's like half an inch. Outer diameter is 5/8.
Where's it go?
If you look hard enough, just there's gonna be a hole from the
You can
fill.
just do it from here?
I'm gonna go under and put it in, just like put it in. Anyways, we'll put it
Put
in
it like
from the
that?
bottom.
Now you're gonna go under?
Now I'm gonna go under and just put it in the hole. Just put it in the hole.
I think I see it.
Put it in the hole. Where the fuck is the thing?
I see it.
Found it. And then you just stick it in.
You just gonna put her in, brother?
Just like that. Just like that. And then,
That was gross.
You get your fluid. Today we're using Royal Purple Synchro Max. Not sponsored. It doesn't matter what you use, I guess. You use fucking...
Well, it kind of
olive
does.
oil.
Doesn't it matter?
Okay, it matters if you want to spend more money or you go OEM or use whatever you want to use.
What?
It'll be fine.
No, just hold it. You're good.
So then-
Like, hold up.
Yeah, just hold it.
You go like this,
I'll just go like that. Just pour it in.
and then you go like this,
What if we pop out the other
and
side?
then you go like this, and then you just
It's not even coming out.
squeeze, right?
Yeah.
Did I have to poke it in the fuck. I have to cut it.
This time with the bottle actually open.
Alright, we cut it with some cutters.
Okay, just pour it.
And then
Oh, wow. I forgot it's actually purple.
you squeeze.
Let gravity do its thing.
Oh, that's
Yes,
kind of
sir.
cool. That looks cool.
And then you also don't want to fill
I'm bored. I don't want to hold this anymore.
Okay.
Where fella go? Here, let a little air in so it'll actually go.
Yeah. You also don't want to put in the whole 2 quarts because...
Why not? Just put the whole thing.
No, because it doesn't really drain all of it because there's still some at the very bottom.
Stick the back of the bottle with like a fork. With a fork? With a knife. So it goes out.
You only want to put in about 1.6.
Mention a couple things, guys. Make sure the car is level. Make sure you dispose of the old stuff properly. And
don't lose the bolts. Or don't
prank your friends.
Yeah, don't prank your friends.
Unless you want to, because it's funny. Do it again, do it again.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it already ran out. Alright. You're trying to get it to pop? Alright, so the transmission fluid has been changed.
Yeah.
Now you just have to start the car. Or Josh, I guess, is going to start the car.
Bro, do you have to talk to him about what happened and what's the...
Put it in
Why is
neutral.
this shit so low?
Put it in neutral.
Oh, shit.
Josh, our resident automatic driver,
Hey, how's it going?
is going to test
See,
it for
is
us.
it in drive?
Yeah,
Or should I put it in R? Or P?
how do we tell him?
It's in P?
Give it a try.
Put in the clutch.
Yeah, you gotta put in the third. Put in the clutch.
Hold on. You see why stuff coming up? Alright, good.
Cool. Put in the clutch. How's it feel? Give it a quick test lap.
Oh, sorry.
How's it feel, John? Any different? Nope. That's a good thing. All right. Give it a test lap. Oh, hello there. Does it work good?
I think I'm playing.
Stop it. How's it feel?
Initial impressions.
Does it feel good?
It feels smoother, yeah.
It does feel smoother?
Yeah, it doesn't feel.
It made a
as-
difference?
It doesn't feel as like.
Spit it out. I think he might actually be leaving. No, he's not. He's coming back.
Shout out to my rotary heads.
Shout out to your dad. Alright guys, that was a quick little video on how to change the manual transmission fluid on your RSX Type S. Hopefully you enjoyed. And as always, please make sure to leave a like if you liked the video. Comment down below and subscribe for more videos like this. As always, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.
Inspired. Bye.